Hey everyone, I'm Swarup, and this is your 5-skill roadmap to rule the digital world. Imagine you're building your own city of code. Each zone gives you new power. Building construction start with Python, the ground where logic begins. It teaches you to think like a machine, automate anything, and create AI. Bar graph then comes R, where data speaks. Here, you'll visualize patterns, analyze insights, and make smarter decisions. Brain move to C#, your engine room, where you build real systems, games, and apps that power industries. Globe next is Node.js, the brain behind the servers. You'll handle APIs, real-time data, and connect users everywhere. Finally, React.js, your city's skyline. It's where design meets intelligence, building fast, modern interfaces. And when you combine them all, you don't just code, you create. This is your roadmap: 5 skills, 1 vision, endless future. Keep learning, keep building.